Welcome to Galgotia University e-content platform. I am Dr. Shivendu Kumar Rai, Assistant Professor in Department of Mass Communication. Today I am going to present a topic from course that is International Communication for BA in Journalism and Mass Communication program. Today lecture topic is Global Village. You will able to explain the notion of global community at the end of this session. We will be able to describe the components of global village. We will be able to articulate the benefit and drawback of the global village. We will be able to describe the key feature of global community concept. So today's topic is global village, under which I am discussing introduction of global village, promoted the global village, elements of developing a global village and media, advantage of global media, disadvantage of global media, some question related to global village, and last discussion on this topic. So student, now talk about introduction of global media. The phenomena of the entire world began more interconnected as the result of the separate of media technologies around the world is referred to as the global village. Marshall McLuhan, a Canadian media theorist, created the term in his 1962 books of Gutenberg Galaxy, The Making the Typographic Man and Understanding Media. In 1964, the term global village has become a dominating term for the expressing the worldwide coexistence transformed by transitional business, migration and culture. According to literary historian Sue M. Lee, another contemporary use of the phrase is economic journalist Thomas Friedman's notion of the global village as a world knit together into the single multinational marketplace and village. In other words, if you talk about global village, the term global village to express the phenomena of the world culture discouraging and expanding at the sometimes due to pervasive technology breakthroughs that allow the instantaneous sharing of culture. Marshall McLuhan believed that the world was entering a fourth age, which called the electronic age, where people everywhere would be able to discover and experience the some information through the use of technological tools. His studies on trends in technology and their effect on human communication helped him develop his hypothesis about the future and how innovations such as coming internet would impact of individuals and culture as whole. Enter the internet, Marshall McLuhan's once predicted global village, a tool that connects almost everyone everywhere with a few clicks of a mouse. For example, you can experience what is happening on other side of the world by simply finding the right website. You can read about the culture you have never experienced firsthand. You can even view never before seen photos and video, originally peoples and unusual wildlife thousands of miles away. As a start in the start, despite geographical differences, the world has become an one village as a result of technology advancements. As a result, it has included the media mediums, which included newspaper, television and internets. When Marshall McLuhan developed the concept of global village, Marshall McLuhan recognized that it would be required all of us to be aware of the impact that our action have beyond your national borders. Electric speed at bringing all social and political functions together in the sudden implosion is highest and human awareness to responsibilities to an intense degree. As he put it, those are not the precisely the words you in the international issues would ask, but you are well aware the responsibilities that fall on us and we intended in discharge them. Now talk about elements of developing a global village. First of all, I talk about hardware. In the global village, compatible hardware or equipments is required for any type of communication or information exchange. Computer and peripherals as well, mobile phones, radio and television are example. And second is software or program. A program is the series of instructions written in the programming language that are used to solve a problem. A group of program is the name of the software. It taken hardware as well numerous program or software to set the global village. Operating systems, browser software, communication software and other sorts of software are all examples of software. Third one is network or connectivity. The backbone of global village is the network or connectivity through the which data and information can be reached to every person in this universe. And lastly, data or information. Data or information is valuable materials at each level of the global village to exchange. The raw material used to processing to obtain a specific result or output in called data. On the other hand, the meaningful form of the data after processing is information. This data or information is shared with each other in the needs of people in the world. Governance and components is another part. Another elements. Global village largely depend on technology. Hence need proper implementation of the public interest, knowledge, awareness, capability and efficiency. Now I will talk about the global village and media. People utilize technology to be a part of digital community with which they are not physically but mentally linked. Individual can express themselves through the global village by using each social media platform as a digital home. According to a review of general semantics, media ecology and new media have broadened who can make and view media message, because most developing countries obtain there the news and internet reach countries such as the United States. The information received may be slanted in favor of developed countries, resulting in the media that connect the world in similar way. Physically distance is even less of the deterrent to people's real-time communication action over the internet. The openness of the web as well as the simplicity with which people may search the online communities or communicate with others who have the similar interest and concerns has considerably increased social spheres. According to Marshall McLuhan, the enhance the electric speed to bring all social and political function together in sudden implosion has heightened human awareness of responsibility to an intense degree. Individual can get more involved with others from diverse social groups and countries throughout the world and be more conscious of our global responsibility because of increased communication speed and the potential of people to read about the spread the reach of global news safely. People can also join the BAPE page together using the BAPE connected computers. Globalization reflects our identity and connects us to the rest of the world. The science and technology make the world globalization and turn the reflect of the theory of convergence and promote the cultural identity. Do you know what is the advantage of global media? The advantage and disadvantage of global becoming a global village. First of all, the global village provide a new concept. When you people propose of connect of global village, they have the wonderful wish that all people on earth can coexist harmoniously and there the thoughts and feeling can blend. The emergence of global village break the traditional concept of time and space and making people closely linked with the outside world as a whole and become a more understanding of human interaction. The phenomena of the global village change people's concept of news and promotion idea, forcing the news media to pay more attention to the interest of need of those who receive the information and pay more attention to the timeline and objectively authenticity of the content. Secondly, the global village contributes to world economic integration process. The global village promotes the rational allocation of resources, capital, technology, products, market and labor worldwide, and the development of the national economy, providing a vast space for the development of nation economics. It is beneficial to rise the level of international division of labor and rapid development of international trade. The process of globalization continues to accelerate the interdependence and interpenetration of countries in economic and other fields and their common interest and also increasing. The developed countries can fully exploit their the capital and technological advancement, technological advantage and make us to reach resources, cheap labor in developing countries to obtain profit. The developing countries can absorb the bring a capital and technologies in developed countries to gradually narrow the gap that developed owns. Thirdly, the world become a global village in conducive to maintaining the situation of peaceful developments and reducing the possibility of wars. When we are in the same village, what you want to do is protect our only home of survival and care about our families. In the process of globalization, most countries in the world are involved in deeper level international division of labor and investment of technology transfer activities of multinational countries combine production, sales and R&D together closely. Thus, that countries strengthen their trades, cooperation constrain international conflicts or at least reduce the intents of disputes gradually become a trend. Fourthly, the global village is also good for the communication of culture and protection of environments. Global make to the change the culture become border and intercultural communication become increasingly important. Under this situation, people are more observed the learning different culture. The tendency will lead to colorful culture and rich people's lives. This global village is where we live, so environment is essential to us and we will attach great importance to it. The environment will be better and better. Disadvantage of global village. Do you know what is the disadvantage of global village? As every coin has two sides, everything has its merit and demerits. While you are looking the positive effects of global village, its negative effects can be ignored. Either first, economic crisis with the global economic chain become increasingly closely energy price rise. The financial order is seriously out of control. The possibility that the obvious recession of large countries economic will be trigger global economic depressions or even crisis increase. In the event of this case, its conduction speed, depth of impact may be surpass the previous world economic crisis. In addition, if climate change, environmental degradation and other long-term problem lack of effective governance, it will eventually threaten the sustainable development of the global and national economic crisis will be cause of hug waste of social wealth and do damage to the social productive force. The global village involve developed and developing countries, so conflict of countries intensify. Second is social unrest. Global village has led to expansion of the gap between rich and poor countries and within countries. The social conflict in developed and developing countries are likely to intensify. Traditional industries in the developed countries like United States, Britain and France have to be relocated and the problem of unemployment is prominent, encouraging the social aggregation. Globalization has made the contact and interaction of domestic and international factors enhanced, and international issue evoked civil unrest. The possibility that domestic problem cause international unrest will increase. Under the situation of social unrest, people can not build the home and fulfill their causes. It will easily result in retrogression of society. Third is great power confrontation. As you will know, as we all know that globalization is developed countries oriented, so the rich occupy the favorable position in the global village. This is because the developed countries have economic and technological advantage and they master modern information technology to promote the trend of economic globalization and lead the development of the world market. Some countries divide from the direction of the evolution of the globalization and pace of progress of human history. They do not give up the hegemony, strategic expansion and arms race, and do not give up curbing other emerging power. In particular, they will maintain a strategic advantage in the next 10 to 20 years. Once they get rid of the current strategic dilemma, there are chances that they will stir up great power confrontation again, which will cause great harm to transformation of the international system and the cause of human peace and progress. Fourth is regional turmoil, marginalized countries in the globalization, hegemony, terrorism, nuclear proliferation will not reduce but increase regionally hot spot issue with the depending of globalization in first 20 years in the 21st century. They increase the effect of regional hot spots to play the role of global security situation and make the international situation continuous to intensify local turbulence in the overall state of peace. In the global village, people have easy to access to each other. It is convenient to connect each other, do harm to each other too. When you read the global village, then some question will be definitely come in mind. According to my guess, some question can be as follow. What is the global village in globalization? The global village concept has been brought about the rapid development of information technology, the global media and faster and lower cost travel. Interstate trade is not new, but the concept of the global village has brought the whole range of other factors into the global business interactions. Second question is, what are the some example of the term global village? All of the world's united societies are an example of the global village. The globe as an one community of interdependent people who are linked by modern technologies, particularly television and the internet. Third question is, has Marshall McLuhan idea of global village become reality? Answer is, Marshall McLuhan ideas on global village become a reality. Global village is created by the electronic interdependence and it is the here put the virtual reality. Within the global village framework, people tend to communicate through the media in their daily life basis. Next question is, how does the concept of global village after organization and managers? How does the concept of global village affect organization and manager? Manager as organization now have the more aware of the changing the environments. They are have to understand the culture of the world and be the occupied the contactless techniques that they may or may not be used to using. Now talk about communication manager. Now I am concluding this lecture on this note that Marshall McLuhan argued that electronic technology was shrinking the planet, that time has created and space has vanished. That was not true then. CNN did not exist nor did the internet, and the explosion of telephone communication was just beginning. Only the few years before, Marshall McLuhan wrote, when the first telephone cables were laid across the Atlantic in 1956, they carried 36 simultaneous conversations. Today's fiber optics counterparts carry no fewer than 10 million conversations. No, times has not cached and space has not vanished, but life does seem to be moving rapidly that way. Taken together, telecommunications, satellites, computers, and fiber optics are having a cost of processing, storing the transmitting information every 18 months. The global village even has its own market square in the space of internet, a forum of commerce, information, entertainment, and personal interaction that make the previously underwhelmed of access to information available almost the instantly and extraordinarily low cost. Estimates suggest the 250 million people around the world use the internet already, with the number of rise every day. Global village is such an environment where the world consequent as a single community in which telecommunication link the inhabitants together. In other words, global village is an idea where all the people of the world will live as a single society and provide the communication and service to each other through the use of information and communication technology. That is the world based on information and communication technology. It's called global village. Globalization is an unstoppable trend as the globe become a global community, and the world's transformation into a global village is a double-edged word. The both benefits and drawbacks that we should do the tech community, and the world drawback what we should do the take advantage of the chance, actively participate in it, avoid disadvantage and injury, avoid dangers, and face the challenge with the great courage. In today's global village, and government or even everyone face major obstacles. We are all different people from the different backgrounds with the varied belief and aspirations as the result of globalization. Participate in the trend and become a beneficiaries. We should maximum of the benefit to the global village while avoiding the drawback. Instead of the being a choice, the global village has become a fact. You can choose whether to accept or reject of global village. It is already matter of life which you must face the answer on daily basis. We can prove that benefits outweigh the drawback, but we can reduce the drawback and increase the benefit to the point where we seize opportunities and bravely participate in the trend. Student, there are many books and lecture on this subject, but I am writing the name of some books for your reference. It will be visible on your screen, and these are the references you may refer to future readings. I hope this lecture is helpful for you. For any query, please email me on this given email address. Thank you.